Hey, fourth grade scientist, Mr. Height here, your favorite scientist, back at you with another really cool unit. This is actually a very special unit, kind of leaping into life science. So we're going to do kind of a STEMmy type project. STEM, get it? STEM, trees. Yeah, it wasn't very funny. Anyway, this is going to be a very fun unit because we're going to kind of preview and review some life science, especially with plants. So we're going to look at a couple things. First of all, these really cool things, seeds. You see the seed here? This is a maple seed. And if you can see this tree behind me, that is a maple tree. How can this little seed grow into such a big tree? So what do plants use for growth? You know, we remember from third grade that plants, remember those three things that plants need to make their own food? I hope you remember those three things. But what do actually plants use? What do they actually use to make their stems and leaves and the flowers and the fruits and all that good stuff? What materials do they actually use to create that? We know they make their own food, but what materials um, do they use to make all these different things? So we're going to take a little bit more depth look at that, and also look at the very interesting shape of this maple seed. When it falls, it's very interesting. So seed dispersal, how do seeds travel? So we're going to look at how seeds travel, even a little bit on how seeds reproduce. So a very cool unit, very unique, and we'll get into some STEM activities. I even have a special guest helping with this unit. So, oh, and there's a couple songs by someone you might know. So lots of cool things coming up in this unit. So get ready to do some learning.